Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to unlock Spotify Premium features for free. If you've seen videos claiming that there's a hidden trick that unlocks Spotify Premium forever without paying, then here's what you should know. The truth is that there isn't a legitimate way to permanently unlock Spotify Premium features for free. Features like ad-free listening, offline downloads, unlimited skips, high-quality audio, and on-demand playback require an active Spotify Premium subscription. So you need to be careful with websites, modify APKs, browser extensions, or apps that promise free Spotify Premium, because many of those are scam and that can steal your account. However, there are official ways to enjoy Premium at no cost for a limited time. If you're a new premium user, Spotify may offer you a free trial depending on your country and eligibility. Spotify also occasionally runs special promotions with partners that include longer free trials for eligible users. To check your available offers, open the Spotify app, tap Premium, or visit the Spotify Premium page while signed into your account. And if you're eligible, any available trial or promotional offer will be displayed automatically. So that's the truth about getting Spotify Premium features for free. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.